Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Today we're going to do a test shot on an Alex Duetto. We did a group head E61 rebuild. We rebuilt the steam and the hot water valve, replaced the safety valve, and we checked the programming that it works on 20 amps. And we program that to F2. Shot comes out. The test table's at a little angle and it's test coffee, so it is coming out pretty good there. Yeah, we just cut this a little short. Nice shot though. Nice crema. Let's check the steam. Nice strong steam. Hot water valve. Nice. Anyway, there you have it. Thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page. Thank you.